in Kosovo. This is our apartment from the outside. What I like about this is there's probably a dozen restaurants, 3 supermarkets, places to get your hair cut, and everything in between, all within walking distance. So this will be a new experience rather than Houston, where I was 20 minutes from the grocery store. So after a 22-hour bus ride plus 4 hours getting to the bus station, here I am in Pristina, Kosovo. Here's the apartment I'm going to show you. So here's the front door. There's a little bathroom right here. Here's a nice little dining room area. Here is all the luggage from the trip for Nathan and I. And here's the kitchen. Boy, this is really nice here. Walking in here, the little living room, and nice sitting area, nice little TV, little balcony, and here is, whoa, ouch. They have the metal blinds here like they do in Germany. The view from our porch here, really nice view. There's the metal blinds I bumped into. These are like the kind they have in Germany, where they roll down from inside or from outside. I'm tired, been up for 26 hours, so. And then coming in here is the first bedroom. Nice. A nice little armoire. Nice little desk area. Here's a second bathroom. And we have a second bedroom. Right now it's kind of made into like a little sitting area, but I believe these are sleeper sofas. So altogether, this was $570 a month. Could have gotten it cheaper if we hadn't gone through Airbnb. In fact, one of the guys I talked to said we probably could have gotten it for half that. So spectacular place, spectacular price. Everyone here is so nice. Really looking forward to spending some time in Kosovo.